tuned in, our story. With my personal experience in online music collaboration, I wanted to create a platform that made it easier. And it's not going to be easy if it looks like this. I interviewed 3 people who have experience in online music collaboration, and they all had some concerns. So I decided to look into some platforms and find things that I can create or enhance, leading me to my ideal user experience. So to better understand it, I came up with 3 personas. Alyssa is interested in an app that will allow her to find job opportunities. She wants to learn more about the music industry and maybe even get advice through some sort of counseling. The second one is Ace. Ace is interested in an app that will allow him to find people to collaborate with and a way to connect with people on a deeper level. Lastly is Genesis. Genesis is interested in an app that will allow her to express and obtain new creative ideas. She wants to see if there is a way to build a community. I then put them all together to see what their goals are and what solutions I can create to solve their problems. This leading me to my value propositions: a music job searcher, a collaboration finder, and for the creative minds. For my app, I chose vibrant colors that made the brain more productive and creative. I then went for typography that was simple and bold to be eye-catching. I then chose visual elements that were easy on the eye. Keeping in mind my brand values, I came up with many different logos, but finally came up with this one. For the structure of my app, I had to come up with a user flow and a wireframe for each of my personas, and turned it into a real-life application. After my initial creation, I in-class tested to get more suggestions and feedback, and did it with some friends, that way they can see some inconsistencies. After that, I decided to do a self-evaluation because I can be my biggest critic. Now here are my refined prototypes. The first one is Alyssa's. The second one is Ace's. And the third and final one is Genesis. Stay tuned in.